What's up, guys? So today's video is going to be a really short video. I'm just going to show you how to change your tire and change it out if you have a flat tire. This is something I realize that not everybody knows how to do. So to do it, you're going to need a crossbar. You can buy them at Walmart. They come in all different sizes. Or if you have just the single one that fits your lug nut on your car, you're going to need a jack. This one came with my car, so most cars might have one already. And then obviously you're going to need a donut or spare tire. Some cars come with a full-size spare. Mine only came with this donut, but if yours has a full-size spare, you'll have a full-size spare. So let's get into this. Okay guys, so this part's really simple. You're gonna want to take your crossbar, you're gonna want to find the one that fits your lug nuts, and you're gonna want to break the lug nut loose in a star pattern. So you're gonna want to go across and across. I already broke most of these loose, so they should all be pretty loose. You don't want to take them all the way off until after you jack up your vehicle. So once you break them loose, you want to put your jack somewhere near, if you're doing the front, near the front. If you're doing the back, somewhere near the back. And then jack it up until your wheel is off the ground. So we're going to do that now. Okay, so once you jack up your car, your wheel should be off the ground and you should be able to move it like so. Okay, at that point, you want to just take the lug nuts off. They should loosen by hand at this point. If they don't, you can just use your crossbar to pull them out. And you're going to want to take them all the way off. I always thought people knew how to do this, but the other day I was driving to work and there was a guy on the side of the road, had all the stuff to do it, but had no idea how to change his tire. So I stopped and helped him, and then I figured, well, I better make a video about how to do this. So if anybody out there doesn't know how to do this, you will after this video. And if you know anyone that doesn't know how to do this, send them the video, help them out a little bit. So once you take all your lug nuts off, your wheel should just come right off. Don't want to lose any of them lug nuts. And make sure you have them all. So here we go. Whew. Okay, and then after you get all your lug nuts off, your wheel will just come off like so. Okay, so once you unbolt your tire, it should just pull off like so. Obviously there's nothing wrong with this tire, so I'm not going to replace it. I'm just going to put it back on. You're going to line it up with your studs on your, where'd they go? There they go. And then push it so you can see all your studs coming through the holes. Find all your lug nuts. And it would help if the wheel was straight. And then just hand tighten them down. I'm trying to get them all on there, my dear Lord. Okay. And you want to hand tighten them down in a star pattern. So you do this one, then do this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. You can't turn it no more. You gotta put your car back down on the ground. Now you're gonna want to let it down nice and slow. Okay, so you're gonna slowly let your car down. If you have a hydraulic jack, that you just pump to jack your car up. You're gonna want to turn. I'll show you. But you're gonna want to let your car down nice and slow till your tire is back on the ground. Okay, and then once your tire is securely back on the ground, you're gonna take your lovely crossbar here, and you're gonna tighten these down in a star pattern. Now you're gonna want to get these as tight as you possibly can, because you're not gonna want them to move. You don't want to lose your wheel on the highway. A little bit like, I don't want to say smaller, a little bit lighter in weight. You might be a good idea to put your foot on this side here and your hand on the other end and just pull, or step on this side and pull this side so you can get it nice and tight, because like I said, you do not want this coming off when you're on the highway or driving, anything like that. But unless you have an impact gun. If you have an impact gun, you can just zip these right on there, like so. Okay guys, so I know it was a really short video and my hair is a fucking disaster, but I don't know if I can say that on YouTube. We might get flagged for that. But that was a video on how to change your tire. So if you ever get stuck on the side of the highway and you have a jack in your car, like so, and a spare tire, you'll be able to change the tire on your vehicle, and you won't have to call a tow truck. It'll save you some money and all that fun stuff. Or if you ever just want to change your tire at home, like if you're parked at your house and you get a flat, then you can jack your car up, change your tire out, and you know how to do it now. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments down below which other videos you guys want to see, as well as all my social media is in the description box for you guys to go check out. And I do have a video coming soon on how to change your front disc brakes on your vehicle, so keep an eye out for that because it is coming. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. Give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button because we're going to do all types of car content. Good vibes, good cruising.